Your kitchen knife might be so old that the handle is broken off completely, or maybe you accidentally dropped it and the handle shattered. But don't throw it away just yet, because this video is just what you need. Today, I'll show you how to make a brand new knife handle using simple, easy to find materials. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First, I'll secure the knife tang in place so I can cut off these little metal pins. I'll clamp it down tightly, then slowly cut off each pin. Once half of it is cut, I just need to use pliers to snap off the rest. This knife is definitely old. The tang is covered in heavy rust. So let me grab my grinder and clean that up. There we go. Just a few passes and the rust is gone. That was pretty quick, wasn't it? Next, I've got a small gas canister and a blowtorch ready. Now I'll heat up the tang until it gets nice and hot. After about a minute of torching, the tang is hot enough. Now I'll carefully insert it into this plastic pipe. This is going to become our brand new handle. The trick here is to go slowly. The heat from the tang will soften plastic, making it much easier to slide it in. Take your time and adjust as you go so that everything stays balanced. There we go. I successfully embedded the tang into the plastic pipe. Not too hard, right? Now let's wrap the handle with a layer of tape. Just one layer from top to bottom to keep things neat. By the way, have you ever had a knife with a broken handle like this? How did you deal with it? I'd love to hear your ideas. Leave me a comment down below. I'm always excited to learn cool tips from you guys. Next, I've got some aluminum foil. I'll cut out a small piece and use it to seal off the bottom end of the handle. Make sure to wrap it tightly. No gaps allowed. Can you guess why I'm doing this? Stick around, and I'll explain in just a bit. Now that this part's done, I'll set the knife aside and move on to the next step. I've got a few hot glue sticks here. Let's chop them into smaller pieces. Then I'll place those pieces in an empty soda can and use a heat gun to melt them down. After heating for about a minute, the glue has fully melted. I need to act quickly now. I'll pour it straight into the handle before it starts to solidify. The hot glue will fill the inside and hold the tang firmly in place. And remember the foil I added earlier? That was to stop the hot glue from leaking out the bottom. Clever, right? I'll keep pouring until the handle is completely filled. Since the glue is cooling down, I'll reheat the second batch before pouring the rest in from the other side. Once the handle is full, I'll remove the tape I added earlier. That was just to prevent the glue from spilling out onto the outer surface. Now I'll trim off the excess glue that spilled over. For this part, I'll need both a knife and pliers, so be extra careful not to cut yourself. Do you use hot glue often? It's super strong for holding things together, but removing it, now that's a challenge. The knife and pliers only help with the bigger chunks. To clean up the smaller bits, I'll use some sandpaper, specifically P1500 grit. This fine sandpaper is perfect for cleaning up without scratching the knife blade. Once all the excess glue is gone, I'll give a quick rinse. And we're done. It actually feels really solid in the hand. So there you have it. I just turned a simple plastic pipe into a sturdy and stylish knife handle. Here at Hack and Craft, we believe that with a little creativity, you can turn even the most ordinary materials into something truly useful. Give this method a try and show off your creation. I'd love to see what you come up with. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss the next clever idea we bring your way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.